Here at the Porta Potty Field, 18-mile-an-hour winds. First time flying this field. Got the Tundra out. See what happens. Oh, so windy. Weather vane. Oh, there we go. Taking off. I don't know about this one, guys. Really windy. There goes the wing. Oh! I don't know, dude. Oh, man. We put so much effort into it. Did it break? Thanks. Oh, man. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see what happens. Come on, Tundy. Whoa. So windy. Whoa. Whoa. No gyro. Oh, this is bad news, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not good. Just gonna float it. It's like a yeah, it's like a kite, dude. Oh man. Really windy. Yeah. Wow. It's really bad, dude. It's windier up there. No. I wish there was a gyro in it though. Whoa! Shit, I need to get out of the sky. I'm gonna try to come around.
Try to use rudder.
Okay.
When you're landing.
Whoa, dude, this is scary.
Look at how fast it's going downwind.
Turbo. Wow.
Brave man, Brian. Brave
Whoa,
man.
look at that salter. Let me try to get it down. What did I do? Oh man.
You're good, man. Just come down and just try to make the adjustments on rudder.
Shit. Dude, dancing.
Oh, it's not coming down.
Ah! Oh!
It doesn't want to come down.
Full throttle, full throttle. Go around again.
Don't need flaps today.
No, it almost like touched down, like just like that. Yeah, just get your harrier on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I just want to get it down, man. Dude, scary.